Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is media. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is media? Media, the plural of medium, broadly describes all channels of communication, including everything from printed paper to digital data. Media comprises news, art, educational content, and any form of information that can reach or influence people, including television, radio, books, magazines, and the internet. Okay guys, so this is the description of what is media is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. Your support is highly appreciated by me personally. Without you guys, the channel of mine will not grow. So see you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.